In this tutorial video, you will learn how to add PBF and MVT Vector tile services. When you click the Add Service button in the Data menu, the Add PBF Service option opens the PBF Service Adding panel. In the panel that opens, click the Add button after filling the layer name, URL address, and coordinate system information. Thus, PBF Vector service is added to the map as a layer. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to follow us to be updated for recent developments. You may continue to next tutorial video.